Do you ever find yourself flailing in a fog of mediocrity? How do you clear your head? How do you recapture the mind of a champion? You need to get yourself going. You need to bring the heat. You need to get back on track. You need Dain Blanton's Fake Fire. At Dain Blanton Industries, we've been packaging gold medal spirits since 2000. Never before has championship capability been available to you in liquid form. Drink one of these, and you are headed in a new direction. Miss a serve? Angry with your partner? Maybe you're in the shank tank. One can of Dain Blanton's patented Fake Fire, and you are on your horse like the Dothraki. Fake Fire should never be fed to horses. Get fired up, stoked, juiced, pumped, and ready to unleash that inner best player in the world! How much would you pay for this championship in a can? Don't answer yet, because if you act now with your order of a Fake Fire starter 6-pack, we'll include an extra 3 cans for just the cost of shipping and handling. That's right, an offer so good it's smashing you in the face. 6-pack plus 3 cans. Order now and use code AVP2019 and we'll include Dain Blanton's platform powder. Perfect passes all the time, guaranteed! Order now and go ahead and give them the number! Dain Blanton's Fake Fire is a trademark of DBI. At no time should Fake Fire be fed to pets or children. Dain Blanton's platform powder is not FDA approved and should never be left in direct sunlight. DBI is not responsible for use or misuse of any DBI products. Please consult your primary care physician, dermatologist, radiologist, favorite neighbor, and your mom before using any DBI product.